Hi there again everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel where you will find mostly affordable, practical, and easy DIYs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. Today I am participating in a hop that is hosted by my good friend Carolina from Carolina's Creations Handmade. Carolina has invited me and two other talented crafters here on YouTube, Lyric Lover 810, which is Amber, and Scrap the World, Tamika. Each of us will be presenting Dollar Tree Valentine's Day gift ideas, and in each of our channel there will be a giveaway of $40 gift card. More details on the giveaway will be in the description box below. After watching my video, go to their channels and subscribe and also watch their videos. So let's get on with my DIY. Today I will be re-showing how I made this traveler's notebook, and this makes a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. And although this isn't a new DIY, I figured since I have gotten new subscribers since when I made this 2 years ago, I would like to show this again in a shorter, more concise version. I'm using this pink crocodile-like texture cardstock SKU 320047. It's by American Crafts. They do sell glittered cardstocks at Dollar Tree. I've seen them at their craft section and also school supply sections. However, it's not going to be as hard or thick as this cardstock. You will also need elastics, and I got this at Michael's. Definitely buy them at Dollar Tree if you want 100% Dollar Tree materials, because they do sell them at the art and crafts section. I'm using a paper cutter here to keep me in line or straight, because I cannot cut straight lines with just a pair of scissors, but feel free to do so. I do have the measurement here, 6.5 inches long by 10 inches wide. Then I am rounding the corners. My corner rounder is not strong enough or sharp enough to cut through this thick cardstock, so I just mark the corners and then fussy cut using my sharp pair of scissors. Using one of the Traveler's Notebook inserts as my guide, I am marking 2 dots and then leaving 5 centimeters of space at the top and bottom edges to the dots. So 2 dots at the top and 2 dots at the bottom. That's where I'm going to be punching my holes using my hole puncher. And I got this one. This is 1/8 of an inch hole. You can use an awl or anything sharp if you don't have a puncher to punch your hole. And that's an awl on my right side here, because the puncher will not be long enough to go there, so that's why I'm using this blunt object, which is the awl. Again, you can use anything that has a sharp, pointy, blunt end. Then I am inserting my elastic band. I chose also pink. Obviously I want it to match. And then I'm just inserting through the holes that I have created. Those 4 holes first. Then I'm tying the nut at the very end there. And I will be able to insert 4 notebooks in each of the section of the elastics. So to kind of keep it closed, I need this elastic, and I'm going to be putting it in that hole. I'll put it through that hole that I created at the center. So first I folded it in half, and then this portion here, the center where I folded it, I am going to be inserting through the hole, and then I am going to be creating a knot. But first, before I do that, I have to make sure that I have enough material to keep it closed, not too loose, not too tight, just enough. I need to have enough space also for expansion. The good thing about this, I can unravel the nuts and then loosen it in case I want to make it chunky. So this is like a lingo for those who like Traveler's Notebook. If you like the chunky one, you can make it looser and you can insert more notebooks in the future. So the basic Traveler's Notebook cover is done. Now it's time to add the notebooks. I got these notebooks at Michael's. Dollar Tree also sells some notebooks, and they come 2 in a pack for $1. But I have found this at TJ Maxx and Michael's. Then voila. Now I'm going to be adding my paper clip, kind of like a page marker, and I'm just going to be putting it here so that I can be able to use that as my guide whenever I'm going to that page. I have this accessory here that is heart-shaped with a keyhole and a key. Now this is where the Dollar Tree comes in. I have this tassel as well as this pom-pom pen. I got them both at Dollar Tree. So this is the refresh or revamp that I'm doing, is with the Dollar Tree items. I like that the bunny ears of my pom-pom pen matches the glitters on the cover, and then the tassel works well too. The metal on the tassel or the keychain tassel matches the rose gold of the paper clip page marker that I have also used. I can't believe these items are just $1 each at Dollar Tree, and they match or complement my Traveler's Notebook perfectly. This pom-pom pen, I'm going to be putting it towards the center here at this portion here so that it will not obstruct the opening of my Traveler's Notebook. And voila! This makes a great gift for someone who would like to journal. It's a little bit really girly and blingy. It's so glam. Now I got this insert just recently at Daiso. This is the monthly schedule book for year 2020, and I like the design. There are some gems or diamonds there. So this is from the Japanese dollar store. We have a lot of them here in California. I know a lot of you do not have Daiso, but they do sell online nowadays. So again, this is for 2020 monthly schedule. I can actually put this here. I'm going to put a spot here because I think one of the notebook I can actually remove, and then yeah, I'm just going to insert the monthly calendar there. I like giving gifts that are practical and easy to make, and this one really makes a great gift for Valentine's Day. Now I want to show you also that there are other alternatives. Like I said earlier, you can use a placemat. I have done that with my other DIY, which I'm putting it in the upper right hand corner, and that was for an A5, which is a bigger size, and I used a Dollar Tree, all purely Dollar Tree items. Now this one also, these foam sheets, and incidentally they have this silver glittered heart, and there are 3 pieces in a pack. If you want to use this, you can actually glue them together, maybe a couple of them back to back, and then cut them to size and then make them as the cover. I'm not going to do that here, but I'm just giving you an idea. It would look nice. It's not going to be a hard cover, it's going to be a soft one, but it's equally as cute as the other one as well. And if you do not want to use these foam sheets as covers, you can also cut them and make them as dividers or dashboards inside your traveler's notebook. I'm really liking this. Actually, I'm going to be creating some probably accessories like paperclip page markers, as well as maybe the pen loop, where I can insert another pen at the edge of my traveler's notebook. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in traveler's notebook or journaling or paper crafting. And like I said earlier, please hop on to my friends' videos. Please subscribe to their channel, watch their videos, support them as well, and I would really appreciate that. And please read the description for the giveaway. And this is again hosted by Carolina. She's also sponsoring the giveaway for $40 in each of the channels. So you will have 4 chances of winning. So if you go to each of our channels, you can enter there, read all our description for our rules on how to go about this giveaway. So good luck everyone who will join the giveaway, and I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Take care everyone, and God bless. Bye bye.